How to get permanent residency through Ontario PNP as an international worker want to settle in Ontario, Canada's economic powerhouse and most popular province for newcomers. Good news! You don't need to wait forever through express entry. Draws, Ontario has its own immigration pathways that can fast-track your journey to permanent residency. In today's complete guide, we'll show you exactly how to immigrate through the Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program, or OINP especially, focusing on the employer job offer and master's graduate streams. Let's get started. Number 1. Why choose Ontario for immigration? First, why do most international workers and graduates prefer Ontario? Strong economy. Ontario is home to Canada's largest cities, Toronto, Ottawa, Mississauga, and industries like tech, finance, healthcare, and education. High demand for workers, thousands of job openings across multiple sectors. Multicultural communities, over 200 languages spoken. Immigrants feel at home quickly. Top universities and colleges, University of Toronto, York University, University of Ottawa, and more. Access to services, healthcare, education, social support systems, world-class quality. Whether you want to work, study, or start a business, Ontario offers opportunities for everyone. Number 2. What is the Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program, OINP? The Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program, OINP for short, is Ontario's official immigration program. It allows the province to nominate foreign workers, international students, and others for Canadian permanent residency. Official OINP website: https://www.ontario.ca/page/ontario-immigrant-nominee-program-OINP. Number 3. Main OINP streams for international workers today. We'll focus on 2 major streams perfect for international workers and students. 1. Employer job offer stream. 2. Master's graduate stream. Other OINP streams include express entry linked options, entrepreneur stream, and PhD graduate stream, but these 2 are the focus today. Number 4. Deep dive into each stream. 1. Employer job offer stream. The employer job offer stream is ideal if you have a job offer from an Ontario employer. There are 3 subcategories under this stream: foreign worker stream, international student stream, in-demand skills stream. Employer job offer. Foreign worker stream eligibility. Job offer must have a full-time, permanent job offer in an eligible occupation not tier 0, 1, 2, or 3. Work experience must have at least 2 years of full-time work experience in the same occupation in Canada or abroad within the past 5 years. Valid license. If the job is a regulated profession, for example, nurse, electrician, you must have the proper license or authorization. Intend to reside in Ontario. You must show you plan to live and work in Ontario permanently. Employer requirements. Your employer must meet certain conditions, like operating in Ontario for at least 3 years and meeting revenue and employee size requirements. The employer job offer. International student stream eligibility. Job offer. Full-time, permanent position in an eligible occupation. Education. Graduated or will soon graduate from a Canadian college or university with at least a 2-year degree, diploma, or a 1-year postgraduate certificate. No work experience required. Unlike the foreign worker stream, license if required. For regulated occupations, a valid license is necessary. Employer requirements, same as above. See employer job offer. In-demand skills stream if you're working in specific in-demand occupations like farming, construction, or personal support work. You can qualify under this substream even with lower education and language levels. Eligibility. Full-time job offer in eligible in-demand occupations not tier 4 or 5. 9 months of full-time work experience. In Ontario, CLB for English, French language ability. High school diploma minimum. This is a fantastic option for workers in lower-skilled jobs. 2. Master's graduate stream. Completed a master's degree in Ontario. You can apply for permanent residency without a job offer. Eligibility: education. Must have graduated from an eligible Ontario university with a master's degree, minimum 1 year full-time study. Language: CLB7 or higher in English or French. Residency: must have legally lived in Ontario for at least 1 out of the past 2 years. Settlement funds: must show sufficient funds to support yourself. Intend to reside: you must plan to live in Ontario. Status: you must be living in Ontario with legal status or applying from abroad within 2 years of graduating. The biggest advantage here: nitrogen monoxide job offer needed. Just your education and connection to Ontario. Eligible universities list. Check OINP Master's Graduate Requirements here. Number 5. How to apply to OINP step by step. Here's how you can apply successfully to the Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program. Step 1. Create a OneKey account. Visit the Ontario government's OneKey portal and create an account. Access the OINP e-filing portal. OINP e-filing portal. Step 2. Register an expression of interest. OI choose your stream: employer, job offer, or master's graduate. Fill out your OI profile. Receive points based on work experience, education, language ability, wage offered for employer, stream, region of job offer. Other factors like previous studies in Ontario. Higher scoring candidates are invited to apply. Step 3. Receive an invitation to apply. ITA wait for an invitation based on your EOI score. You have 14 days to submit a full application once invited. Step 4. Submit a complete application. Upload all required documents. Pay the application fee, CAD $1,500 or $2,000 depending on the stream and employer size. CAD $1,500 for master's graduate stream. Step 5. Get a nomination certificate. If your application is approved, Ontario will nominate you. You'll receive a nomination certificate, a major step toward PR. Step 6. Apply for permanent residency. Use your nomination to apply for PR through Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, IRCC. For employer job offer stream, you may apply directly for PR. For master's graduate stream, also apply directly, no express entry needed. IRCC PR application portal. Number 6. OINP processing times. How fast can you become a permanent resident? OINP nomination processing, 60 to 90 days, about 2 to 3 months. Federal PR processing, 6 to 12 months after nomination. Meaning, you could land in Canada as a permanent resident in under 18 months. Number 7. Tips to boost your chances. Some quick tips to make your application stronger. Improve your English or French test scores, especially CLB7+. Secure a strong job offer in Ontario if possible. Stay in Ontario after graduation if applying as a master's graduate. Prepare all documents neatly and avoid missing information. Apply immediately. After receiving an invitation, deadlines are tight. Ontario opens doors to immigrants who have the skills, education, and drive to succeed. Whether you have a job offer from an Ontario employer or a shiny new master's degree, there is a pathway for you. Take the first step today. Register your EOI, prepare your documents, and soon you could be calling Ontario your new home. Like, share, and subscribe for more immigration tips. And good luck on your Canadian journey.